Let's talk about one of the most stressful parts of pretty much any job, that dreaded angry customer email. But what if I told you that you could draft a perfect, calm, and professional reply in under 30 seconds? And you can do it using a free tool you probably already have open. Well, in this explainer, I'm going to show you exactly how.
Oh, we've all been there, right? Your heart just sinks, your stomach gets all tight. You see that subject line, you click open, and bam, a wall of angry text just hits you in the face. Your first instinct is probably to either fire back a reply or, just close the tab and pretend it never happened.
And that right there, that feeling, that brings us to what I call the angry email trap. Because in that moment of pure stress, our natural instincts, they are almost always the absolute worst thing for the situation, and definitely for our business. Look, most of us fall into one of two traps. First, we reply emotionally. We get all defensive, we try to win the argument, and all we do is make things 1,000 times worse. Or the second trap, we delay. We put it off, we hope the problem just kind of magically goes away, but that silence, it just makes the customer even angrier. Both of these paths lead to the same place: bad reviews and a lost customer. This really needs a total shift in your mindset. Your goal is not to be right. Your goal is to de-escalate. It's not a battle. It's about calming the whole situation down, actually solving the problem, and protecting the reputation you've worked so hard to build. So, how in the world do we do that when we're feeling all that pressure? Well, we're going to use a simple, totally free tool that acts as our instant de-escalation partner. Yep, that's it. It's just ChatGPT. No fancy new software, no expensive subscriptions. The tool that has already taken the world by storm is literally the perfect assistant for this exact problem. And here's why this is such a game changer. For one, it's super easy to get to, no special setup needed. Two, it's free. The free version is perfect for this, so there's no cost barrier at all. And maybe most importantly, it acts like an immediate emotional shield. It takes all the heat out of the moment so you can respond strategically, not emotionally. Okay, so this is the absolute core of the method. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to turn a furious email into a resolved situation in like 30 seconds. Seriously. Let's use a real-world example here. Imagine you get this email. It's harsh, it's accusatory, and yep, there's the threat of a bad review. Trying to reply to this by yourself is like walking through a minefield. So instead, we're going to let AI handle the emotional heavy lifting for us. Now, the secret to making this work is what I call the magic prompt. The specific instructions you give the AI are absolutely everything. You're going to want to copy this next part word for word. Let's just quickly break down why this prompt is so darn effective. We ask for a calm, professional, and empathetic tone. That sets the perfect mood. Apologize without admitting legal fault. That is a crucial bit of protection for your business. And reassure the customer and offer a clear next step shows them you're taking action, which is what they really, really want to see. And that's literally it. You go to ChatGPT, you paste in that magic prompt, and then right underneath it, you just paste the entire angry email from your customer. Then you hit enter and just watch the magic happen. So the response that the AI generates isn't just good, it is strategically perfect for de-escalation. Let's actually break down the anatomy of this perfect reply and see why it works so well. And boom, here's what you get back. Just notice that immediate shift in tone. I sincerely apologize. Understand how frustrating this must be. It immediately validates their feelings without getting defensive at all. There's no argument, no excuses, just professional, calm problem solving. This visualizes the strategy perfectly. On the left, you see what the AI does right. It apologizes, it empathizes, and it gives a clear path forward. But just as important, look at the right side, what it avoids. It completely sidesteps any emotion, arguments, blame, or excuses. This is Reputation Management 101, done for you in seconds. Okay, now as amazing as this is, we are not done yet. The AI gets us about 95% of the way there. But that final 5%, that is the most important step of all, and it requires your human touch. So here it is, the entire process in 4 simple steps. 1. Copy the angry email. 2. Use that magic prompt. 3. Paste both of them into ChatGPT. And the crucial final step, number 4. Review, edit, and send. Never, ever, ever skip step 4. Before you even think about hitting send, Run through this quick 10-second checklist. Is the customer's name right? Do you need to adjust any timelines, like a few hours? Add your signature. And finally, read it out loud. Does it sound like you? Make a few small tweaks to make it sound genuine. This final review makes all the difference in the world. And that right there, that really is the key takeaway. AI isn't here to replace the human connection and customer support. Not at all. It's a tool, but it's a powerful tool that helps you manage the most stressful moments with grace, protecting your business and, let's be honest, maybe even your sanity. It empowers you to sound calm, collected, and professional, even when you feel anything but.